What's up, guys? I am back and my hair has actually been up in these braids a little bit longer than normal. So we're going to take it down today. We're going to see what it looks like. I will not be surprised if it's a little frizzy on the ends or dry, because remember I only used a leave-in and a mousse to do these braids. So we're gonna see. They don't look too bad, actually. I mean, a few of the ends look a little frizzy, but for the most part, you know, it doesn't look too bad, especially having been worked out in, having a hat on it. So yeah. But yeah, let me go ahead and take these down. You know, it takes a while to get braids out, so I won't bore y'all with watching me take these down in regular time. So let me speed this up.
That's what you said. Yeah. That's what you said. You know that I need it. Feeling like Jonah, brother loner. How we gon' find our way? Feeling like Moses, man, the Lord chose us. Now we gotta find our way. Feeling like David, man, I done gave him all. I gotta find my way. You never feel me. I'm still feeling like Jonah, brother loner. How we gon' find our way? Feeling like Moses, man, the Lord chose us. Now we gotta find our way. Feeling like David, man, I done gave him all. I gotta find my way. You never feel me. That's what you said. That's what he said. Been through the fire, never burned, but it's dead. Love you forever, even more to the end. Cause all that I needed, thy hands have provided. Yeah. All of them ups and downs.
All right, guys, I got them done. Sorry if y'all can hear my husband. He's here. He's shredding and everything else. Cotton will probably be barking pretty soon because we got people coming over. But just wanted to show you the definition that I got with just the leave-in and the mousse. Pretty good definition. My hair does feel soft and it does feel moisturized. So I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair a little bit more. I'm not used to doing braid out, so I don't really know the best way to separate, but I'm just gonna do it like I would do my twist outs, I guess. I do have some frizz on the ends. Some of my bigger braids, the ends didn't get as smooth, so I do have a little bit of frizz there, but I don't know. We're gonna make it work. Like I said, it doesn't have to last me long because it's actually time for me to wash my hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to separate it just a little bit. Now I know what people who say, I'm not good at twist outs. My twist outs don't look good. Now I know what they mean again. I used to feel that way before I started doing twist outs a lot, but I never do braid outs. And now I feel like this braid out is frizzy. It looks a hot mess. But we're gonna make it work. Like I said, I just gotta get through today, which I'm not going anywhere. I'm pretty much staying home today and then tomorrow. So it just has to get me through tomorrow. And if I have to pin it up or put it in a bun or something tomorrow, I can do that, no big deal. And then I can wash it the next day. Because I did clip my ends. Ooh, this side is really frizzy. I did clip my ends, which you guys, oh, you may not know, guys. I'm coming back on here like y'all know. Okay, so for those of you who are wondering, I clipped my ends. I showed it on my vlog. I didn't show myself clipping, but I told them that that's what I was going to do. And then I came back and I styled this twist out with the leave-in and the pattern Mousse on my blog, right? And now I'm taking it out for you guys. So yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm sorry, I'm forgetting. I'm thinking I'm talking to the same people, but I didn't want to just do all of this on the vlog and y'all not see anything. So yeah, so I clipped my hair. I actually trimmed my ends. I trimmed probably an inch to an inch and a half off, and I tried to shape it a little bit. So I probably actually trimmed more than that after trying to shape it. Y'all know, because I wasn't liking my shape too much. Now, did I shape it well? I don't know. We won't know until I go back to a wash and go, but we'll see. I did trim, like I said, an inch to an inch and a half off. I'd rather trim too much than not enough, because I had not had a trim for a long time, and I think that's why my ends were starting to tangle a lot and stuff like that. Of course, some of it was product that I was using when my hair was tangling all over, but some of it probably had to do with my ends as well. So I wanted to get off some of those split ends, and so I did. And I didn't show it because you guys have seen me trim my ends before. I'm not an expert. I just do what I can. I blowed it out. I washed it, put it in chunky braids, let it air dry overnight. Then the next day I took the braids out. I used my Revlon handheld dryer brush, which I've used before. I'll link that video too. And that's what I use to stretch my hair, and then I trim my ends on stretched hair. I did not flat iron it because I didn't want to put any extra heat on my hair. So I just did it on blown out hair, or blow dried hair. Not blow dried, but stretched hair with the Revlon brush. This side is really frizzy, guys. This side is real, well, both sides are really frizzy. But anyway, this is pretty much what it looks like. I have on my black shirt, and believe it or not, I do have a tad bit of a dusting from this duo. Okay, now someone said that they usually get dusting with this. I can't remember if I ever used these two together or not, but I wanted to see for myself, and I do have a little bit. I can't say for sure that it's just from these two, because I did use the Paul Mitchell Slim Super Skinny Serum on my hair as my heat protectant. So this may have something to do with those flaking too. I don't know, but this is the combo that I have on my hair. So I'll zoom in to let y'all see the dusting. Okay, so that's it. Not a lot. I can see it, but looking in the camera, I can't see it. So that's telling me that if people were far away from me, they wouldn't really be able to tell. But I definitely can see it. Okay, so that's going to tell me, yes, I am going to wash my hair. I'll get through tomorrow, and then I'll wash my hair. But yeah, guys, this is it. It feels soft. So just to say, if you are someone who likes soft, fluffy braid outs or twist outs, this combination is a good one. My hair still feels moisturized. It has been braided for, let's see, it was braided for 3 days. Today is 4th day, and I took the braids out today on 4th day. and the moisture is still there and the softness is still there. So this leave-in is very, 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 very moisturizing in my opinion. It does have a silicone in it, I think. It does have a silicone in it, I think, which I'm just letting you know if that is something that interests you. I don't particularly, let me make sure. Yes, it does have a silicone in it. So I don't particularly care for silicones in my products, but I have used them before. This one, for some reason, this leave-in, I don't mind too much because I'm usually using this right before my styler, so I can deal with that. I really don't like silicones in like my shampoos, my deep conditioners, things like that, that I'm going to use early on because I want to make sure that my leave-in and everything is able to get in. But yeah, using it in, you know, having it in this leave-in, I can deal with it. So just want to let you know that. And y'all know I love the mousse. I actually thought I would get a little bit more definition from the mousse, but again guys, I did this on stretched dry hair. This was not a wet set, and normally I do my twist outs and things like that on wet hair, so once it dries the definition is really locked in. So this was on stretched hair, and so of course it's going to be a little bit of a looser and less defined style. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Let me put a little bit something on my face and then I'll come back. All right guys, I'm back. Didn't do a lot, just even me out just a little bit, and put on some mascara and my lip bar, the lip bar lipstick, and toast it. I just put that on, not a whole lot. I didn't even put on any earrings, but yeah, just wanted to come back and guys, if you want your hair bigger, just, you know, fluff it up, keep separating or whatever. But like I said, I'm gonna try to get this to last at least until tomorrow, and then I'll wash it. But let me know what you think about this braid out, and if you have used these two products for a braid out or not. Yeah, that's it guys. Alrighty, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.